Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel Living Life with Leticia. So today we are making fried chicken. We also have some sides, but today we're just concentrating on the meat. I just want to let you see that it is so simple to make a fried chicken meal on a Sunday afternoon, a very good comfort food. And so today we are going to get this going. We've got our chicken cutlets. We're gonna season those up with just regular seasoning and garlic powder. And we also have our batter. It's seasoned a bit as well. So we'll dredge them both, one in the egg batter and then over to the flour, and then we'll get the egg batter again and then again with the flour, and then off to the frying pan we go. So today we are going to be eating fried chicken, mashed potatoes and gravy with a side of garlic broccoli. Yummy, and gonna be yummy for our tummies. Y'all remember that commercial? It's shake and bake, and I help. But this is better than shake and bake any day. We are going to let our chicken cook about 3 to 5 minutes on each side before I turn it. And when I'm just lifting it up just to make sure it's not getting too brown under there, and it looks like we are getting a good color of our crust, and everything's going to be great with these fried chicken. So once they're done on both sides, I'm going to place them on a rack that I have in the oven just to kind of keep it warm, but let some of that grease drain off of it and not let it sit on the soggy or in sogginess. On to the gravy. This is just flour and water, and what was left in the pan was just a little bit of drippings from the grease that was for the chicken, and then of course some of the flour parts that come off in the pan. So now all I'm adding is just water and a little bit more flour and to thicken it, and we're going to stir it constantly. That's one thing about gravy. Either you need to get a fork, spoon, or a whisk, but you need to stir constantly with the gravy because it will kind of clump up sometimes. But as you see, mine is smooth as butter. I'm putting salt and pepper in that gravy because even though it's coming from some of the drippings, it's still kind of bland because there's really no flavor in there. So I'm adding the salt and pepper into the gravy. So you want to salt and pepper to taste on that gravy. But for now, we have our fried chicken. We have our gravy. I did not plate it up. I didn't even put the sides out. But just take my word for it. It was all good and all gravy, baby. But it was good next time. I'll do it right. Y'all be blessed and be a blessing. Hey, we cooking, y'all. Bye.